hakiki ziyak enti ijonga na ayu yuble kumbal nga chuom ong try tak ko bai bangan pahang no bang ton tang bangan sakhi ne tang bangan yo ban sakhi ne agu no no kan san bana so ai mo yuble hakiki si di por gudlik not kata hi kade ke ka banga suman omba kaburom shudrai kaba kumbang adon ka do not banan sakhi u ban sakhi u nam ju don hi kano bangan shapting you know I don't try uba long ka stay ka jinga da na banta jonga ka sinchar khadari ka long shibanta phi jong ka jing im ka jongi but pada do ko sinchar khada ka bni ni na do kim ki sang ki jongi but shudu sha shabar kan te ka khata lu ye baro ke de na tagan da ga na shimi ka rai ba man rum shini sinchar khada but I know ba ke baro ba amma ki ja ka or ka jong try ken.
My people living especially in the border with Assam, in the border with Bangladesh, I tell you till today, they don't feel safe at all. They feel very threatened. And what is even sad is that the lands have been taken away from them. They've lost their livelihood. Why? Because of the failure of subsequent governments to settle this dispute, which has been there for many, many years. We talk about development of the nation. That is dependent on the development of the states. That is what even our Honorable Prime Minister said in his words. Now, how can we talk of development when people till today, till this very moment, are yearning for peace? I therefore urge the governments to kindly take up this matter seriously. And I wish and I hope that the Prime Minister himself will take the lead in putting an end to this long pending issue in the interests of our great nation in general and in the interests of my people, especially those living in the border areas.